Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'll show you this perfect hair combos to get that rainbow effects on your hair. So this perfect for colorful aesthetics or any moment you want to scream main character energy in every shape. So let's just start to create the combo. So first, I'm going to just go to the bangs category and put on this bangs in here. And for the first preview, make it red. Second one, orange. Third one, yellow. And put on another bang, this one in here, and color it green, like this. And next, for blue color, I'm going to use an Updo here, this hair in here, and use blue. I'm going to use this blue color, this one. And next one, go to the wavy hair category and put on this hair and make it purple. Here I'm going to use this purple color. And last one, on the Updo hair, put on this hair and make it pink. And just like that, now the rainbow hair look is done, and this is the final look. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.